In this video, we're going to be checking out the face retouch features in CapCut. Now, whatever your opinion of retouching in photos and videos, there's no denying that the tech behind this is really cool. So, can CapCut's retouch features make me look better? Let's jump into CapCut and find out. So as you can see, we're going to be using this video of me standing here in the garden for this tutorial. So for the next 5 minutes, I'm just going to stand weirdly still and pass you over to future Robbie.
Thanks, past Robbie. Now as you can see, we're using the iPad for this tutorial, but CapCut works exactly the same on your phone. The only reason I'm using the iPad is because it's a bigger screen. Okay, let's jump into the iPad. So here we are in CapCut, and the first thing we're going to do is tap on the clip to highlight it. Then we're going to scroll along until we find retouch. We're going to tap on that and we're going to choose face. It zooms in on the face. Now we've got a few options here. Let's see what the one on the far left does. Move that up and down. So that one doesn't seem to be doing very much. Okay, so this is the important one. The next one along, smooth. Now if I move this up, you'll see that it smooths out the skin. Now obviously this doesn't look too good because I've got a beard, so let's move that down to, let's say, about there. Okay, so that's got rid of some of the wrinkles and stuff. Okay. So if I want to give myself a tan, I can tap this one. And then we've got controls underneath for the intensity and the warmth. Now this is interesting, lighten, so you can, it kind of makes it look like you've got a fill light on your face. Let's just pop that one there. Now this is interesting, this nose one. This kind of gets rid of the lines between your nose and mouth. So we'll take that one right the way up.
And once you finish your edits, CapCut's AI does a fantastic job of tracking your face and keeping those changes in place. And once you're happy with the results, just head up to the top right there to the export symbol, and that'll export straight to your photos.
And that's it. If you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.